Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. Today, I'm here to talk to you about a revolutionary product called the Loss Generator. If you've been struggling with rising electricity costs, frequent power outages, or simply want to become more energy independent, then this could be the solution you've been looking for. But before we dive into the details, I need to emphasize something very important. Make sure you only purchase the Loss Generator from the official website. I've heard reports of people buying from unauthorized sellers and ending up with products that didn't meet their expectations or weren't genuine. To avoid any issues, I've included the official link in the description box and in the first pinned comment below. Always make sure you're purchasing from the official website to get the authentic product and avoid any disappointment. So, does the Loss Generator really work? The Loss Generator is a step-by-step guide that teaches you how to build your own renewable energy system. This innovative system allows you to generate clean, sustainable power for your home while significantly reducing your energy costs and dependence on the traditional power grid. With more and more people looking for ways to cut down on utility bills and reduce their reliance on external energy sources, the Loss Generator provides a groundbreaking approach to achieving energy independence. What makes the Loss Generator unique is that it's not just another generator you buy and plug in. Instead, it's a comprehensive blueprint that empowers you to build your own system using easy-to-find materials. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, and even if you have no technical experience, you'll be able to put everything together with little hassle. Now, let's talk about how the Loss Generator works. The system is based on advanced energy principles that allow you to generate electricity from renewable sources like solar and wind. Once the energy is harnessed, it's converted into usable power for your home. The Loss Generator also includes an energy storage solution, so you'll have backup power during outages or when demand is high. Plus, it's designed to minimize energy loss, ensuring that you're getting the most out of your renewable energy system. The best part is that the Loss Generator is incredibly cost-effective. Unlike traditional power sources that come with high upfront costs and ongoing bills, this system allows you to generate your own electricity with a one-time investment in materials. It's a more affordable way to take control of your energy needs, while also being eco-friendly. Speaking of eco-friendliness, another huge benefit of the Loss Generator is that it's built on sustainable energy principles. By using natural sources like the sun and wind, you can significantly reduce your carbon footprint and help protect the environment. This is especially important as we continue to face climate change and work toward more sustainable energy solutions. The Loss Generator gives you a way to be part of that movement while also saving money. One of the things that really stands out about the Loss Generator is how quiet and efficient it is. Traditional generators can be loud, disruptive, and even dangerous if not used properly. But with the Loss Generator, you'll be able to generate your own power without all the noise. Plus, because the system is built with renewable sources, you won't have to worry about the environmental impact of using fossil fuels. Now, let's take a look at some of the feedback from users who have already implemented the Loss Generator in their homes. Many people report significant savings on their monthly energy bills, sometimes as much as 50% or more. These savings can add up quickly, making the system a smart long-term investment. Homeowners also love the peace of mind that comes with having a reliable backup power source during outages, which are becoming more common due to weather events and other factors. The simplicity of the assembly process is another huge plus, with most users saying that the guide's clear instructions make it easy to build the system, even if they've never worked on a technical project before. Of course, like any product, the Loss Generator isn't without its challenges. Some users have mentioned difficulties in sourcing specific materials, particularly in rural or remote areas. However, the program provides a comprehensive list of materials and offers support to help resolve any issues. The responsive customer service team is always ready to assist if you run into any problems. So, why should you choose the Loss Generator? The answer is simple. It offers an affordable, sustainable, and user-friendly way to take control of your energy needs. Whether you're looking to reduce your utility bills, become more energy independent, or contribute to a greener planet, this system checks all the boxes. It's reliable, cost-effective, and has already helped countless people achieve their energy goals. If you're looking for a way to reduce your energy costs, increase your independence, and help the environment, the Lost Generator is definitely worth considering. And remember, you can only purchase the Lost Generator from the official website. The link is in the description box and the pinned comment below, so be sure to click it and get your hands on this amazing system today. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you understand how the Lost Generator can benefit you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.